What is up guys, my name is Chase, welcome back to another video. This is going to be my unboxing of the Polk Signa S2 soundbar system. I was super lucky to get this for my birthday. Earlier this year I got a Logitech sound system for my computer and I realized how awesome it is to have good sound, so I finally wanted to get a soundbar for our entertainment center. And this apparently is like one of the more cheaper and decent sounding soundbar systems. Anyway, this is going to be a really difficult unboxing because the box is huge. But here I am trying to get it open. Alright, so we finally got it open here. We have a bunch of styrofoam. First up here is our wireless sub. It was way heavier than I thought, so I was struggling a little bit. We have some paperwork, we have a quick start guide, and then moving on to the actual soundbar itself. And then last in the box we have just a bunch of cables and stuff. We have power cables, we have the little remote. Unfortunately, the one thing I will say about this little sound system is that it does not come with an optical audio cable. Luckily I had a random extra cable lying around so I could actually use that. But just keep that in mind if you're getting this soundbar system. Anyway, taking off the plastic from our wireless sub, it's a lot larger than I expected, but it does look really nice. And then taking off the plastic from the soundbar. Here is the Polk Audio Signa S2. Overall, it's a nice looking little soundbar, and it does look nice when it's paired with the wireless sub. These two pieces I actually learned is for mounting the soundbar on the wall, if that's what you want to do. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this quick little unboxing of the Polk Audio Signa S2. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.